why sustainable reporting now? Main component in the report, benefit of sustainable reporting and its value. What is sustainable reporting? According to the Global Reporting Initiative, it is a report that focuses the organizations to communicate about its economic, environmental, and also social impacts on its day-to-day activities. So why sustainable reporting right now? Because SGX has already introduced compliance or explain basis coming 2018. And so listed organization must do their sustainable reporting, or otherwise they can explain why they are not doing that. Of course, the increasing expectations of internal and external stakeholders, such as internal stakeholder like our employee and also your supplier. External stakeholder, regulator, and also customer are looking more and more into how an organization practices its sustainable practices within the organization. And finally, better utilization of resources, because this will lead to efficiency and effectiveness of resources being used in the organization. So what are the main components in the report? First of all, is relevant regulation or non-compliance on the organization. For example, fine or sanctions that organizations receive in the course of business, they need to report that in their sustainable report. Also, regulation that seriously affect how the business is conducted also has to be reported in the report itself. Second, the sustainability policy of the organization with regards to their view on environmental, social, and governance aspect. How the organizations are practicing their sustainable in their conduct of business, especially in the environment, social, and governance aspect. Thirdly, the risk management practice and policies of the organization. What are the steps taken by the organization to mitigate the impact, especially on the environment? For example, in a chemical industry, what are the processes taken by the manufacturing organization in terms of how they are actually managing the discharge of waste material into our water supply? These are the things that they need to explain in the sustainable report, and how they are actually taking steps to mitigate its impact on the environment itself. Also, the topics of interest and challenges faced by any specific industry. For example, haze and paper industry. What are the measures taken by the paper industry to mitigate the impact of contributing to the haze? Finally, the assessment of risk, opportunity, and impact on sustainability with regards to the organization's current practices. How an organization are measuring their impact, and also the risk mitigation factors being implemented by them to ensure that the sustainability of their practices are current business practices. As mentioned in my earlier integrated reporting presentations, sustainability reporting is part of the integrated reporting movement. So over here, what are the differences between sustainable reporting and integrated reporting? First of all, sustainable reporting focuses more on key environment, social issues. Second, it focuses more on the risk and opportunity aspect. And finally, third point is how we measure performance is based on key performance indicators. While in terms of integrated reporting, we are more looking at long-term value of the organization, and the integration of environment and social thinking into the current business practices. And finally, integrated thinking, how the organization is to create long-term value for their stakeholders. So this is more about integrated reporting. Here we have sustainable reporting, focusing on two different aspects. It's an inevitable trend that organizations need to move towards sustainable practices in order to compete in current business environment, especially it's becoming more volatile, uncertain, complex, and ambiguous. Sustainable reporting itself helps to provide the necessary tool and competitive advantage to compete in the current business world. So the benefit of sustainable reporting is better and enhanced reputation to the organization, meeting the expectation of an employee, improve access to finance capital, and finally, increase efficiency and waste reduction within the organization. Thank you.